Hi everyone, welcome to Online Computer Academy. So today's video is about how to print the labels in a very quick and easy way. So actually is it has only few steps that you can do it and you can achieve this task. So let's move on. So these are the steps that you can use it and you can create and print your labels. So I have written these steps over here, but I am taking you to the word screen so you can have a better idea. So you can see this sheet is already open here, which I have just created. But how I can do that? Just go to the mailing tab first. When you are on the mailing tab, you have to come to the labels. When you click labels, so this all box has opened just right here. So this is the big white box is for the address. So if I'm typing ABC street, and then I said brampton brampton, and I said Ontario, and then any postal code I can put. So and then what I have to do is, this is the postal code. So I have written this label here, and then where is the magic part is just right here on the option button. When you click on the option, so it has few things over here. So this is a very important label vendors. So label vendors, it has all the vendors information who created the labels. So labels, so you can select the label of your manufacturer. For instance, I got my labels from the Every, and the product name is US letters. This is Every US letters. So I got product from this, so I'm just selecting this. So don't get confused with this. It's very simple. Any stationery shop, for instance, you are going to the Staples to get your labels. So don't get confused with these fancy words. You just have to go and get your labels. So mostly labels always comes in the Every product. This is the vendor's name, manufacturer name. So get this one, and when you get the labels, the name and the number shows the size of the label. So the most popular size is the 5160. So that's the key that you always have to remember, that you have to get the size 5160. So when I'm here, you will notice that it has a lot of numbers and a lot of kind of labels are just right there. So so most of the time you have to scroll down to find your number. So you just have to be, find your number that you want to be. So it's just like 5160. So if I'm just keep going down and down, so just be patient and then just keep looking for your number. But first time when you look for it, it's just you have to go and really see your numbers. But one time when you do it, and the next time it will be pretty easy for you. So when you're coming to the printing every time, so it will be, you will find it easier. So even I'm just using this. Okay, so just you see this five number has started. So 5160 is coming very close after that. This one, okay, finally we got this number, and lucky that it's there in the computer, otherwise it will be a big problem. So 5160 is just right there, and it has written an address label in front of that. So that makes sure that you got the right one, and the measurement is right there, which is okay. You don't have to worry too much about here. So just press okay, and when you press ok, this is all set. Your labels, your size, your measurement is everything is set. What you have to press it only new document. So when you are pressing new document, it has created all the labels for you, and your address is there. All your addresses has just right there. So you can use this labels for the different purposes, not just like if you want to just put on your address and then you print it. Even sometimes we are organizing the stuff and we have the label sheets. So sometimes even in the kitchen you're organizing your cabinets or anything, so you can write down everything, and then you can just print it and put those labels, so it looks so organized and neat and clean when you are using the labels. So use this. And um, and another thing is that in the companies mostly it uses to write the employee's name and their number on the top of the envelope for the check. So that is a very quick and easy way also. So these are the few ways that you can use it. And it will save your a lot of time. So just do that. And then we have to change the font size and style. So what we are going to do is just go to the design tab, and then font is right here. So if you select any, and then font style, for instance I want to select Arial. So Arial is just right here. So this is here. And then what I'm going to do is I want to centralize all my text, so I'm selecting it again, and I'm going to the home tab. When you're on the home tab, you see these buttons. This is for centralize. So when you click this, it is centralize all your text. So which is good. Even if I want to make it little bit italic, let's see how it looks. It just like that. So it looks good. So your labels are ready to print. So just these are just it's very easy to print it, and you can do it. I remember that one time my HR, she just called me to help her, and then on the when she's preparing her checks for all the employees, so on the labels she write down the name of the employee and the number. So when I told her to just print the labels, and then it will do the things pretty quickly. So she was very happy to see this thing, and then she applied it. And then she was very happy to apply this way. So hopefully hopefully I am also telling you these things, and you will be happy with me too. And try to use this label in a different ways, and it will make your even your work pretty neat and clean. And then even you are organizing something, so it will look so nice and clean. So always use this, and it will make your life pretty easy. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope it will be useful for you. So take care. Bye bye.